So good evening everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So before starting the video, quickly discuss about the result. So we have discussed about HDFC Bank that after the breakout of this trend line, we can initiate our long trade and our target will be around 1700. So here almost it has reached almost that level 1697, the 98 the high it has made. So I have, whenever market has made these consolidations about that breakout in this line somewhere, I have given my trail SL, and somewhere around 60 to 93 here I have booked my profit. And similarly we also have discussed Axis Bank, that it has multiple time tested below breakdown, we have initiated very good profit. Okay, so and similarly we have discussed Reliance, but no trade has been activated. It has, although it has given breakdown, but in the last moment, so not initiated any trade here. Similarly also Federal Bank we have discussed, it has almost, I have not initiated any trade because I already have traded twice in HDFC Bank and Axis Bank, but it has also given breakdown and it's almost reached our target. Our target was 131.40 and it has made low of 131.7075 somewhere here. Okay, so let's start the video quickly of about tomorrow's market analysis. But before that, there are three important things that I have to discuss. The news, number one is I think today two important stocks like Microsoft and Google has the result, so that can impact US market, in Nasdaq, and it can also impact tomorrow's our IT sectors. Okay, and similarly that there are some interest rate related news is going on in USA. So we have to be very careful for that also. That also can impact in the Federal Reserve Bank, the news of there, it also can impact our market. Okay, so let's start with the Nifty. In Nifty we have decided our analysis around 650 below, so the market has not stayed there, and only buying above 800 above, and there is also no trade has been activated. So I am quickly removing all the drawings. So for tomorrow, our analysis will be the low market has made 1600, 19627 to 1600. In this total range, it is now will work as a very good support area for Nifty. Okay, this area will work as a very good support area. And similarly, if you are the primary resistance, if you think that the resistance zone will be 700, this is the resistance zone. This resistance zone will work tomorrow as well. Okay, 19,017 somewhere here this level is coming. And similarly there is also one trend line like yesterday. This trend line also can act as a resistance zone. So for tomorrow, don't go with all your capitals, or with half of the lot you should take, because market in indirect not giving any directions whether it can hold this level or it can break this level. Because but whenever it, if market wants to go above this range, so above 713, if you see 713 above 774, 800 in this range, and above 800 this 840, there are multiple resistance in above, if market wants to go up. So half your quantity in Nifty, and most of the market also I've discussed that. So if you are planning for buying, half your quantity. Okay, and if you're planning for selling, they also half your quantity, because the market is now totally not have any directions what market wants to do. So let's see. And if you're planning for selling only below 19,600 below, you can plan for selling. But as I have said, there are 40, 60 above and below, there are resistance and support zone. See, this is a support area market has tested multiple time here. This is a resistance area, now it has worked previously support area. So it has chances below 19,600, 19,560. This range also can be tested for Nifty. And below 19,560, 500 is a psychological number, that level also can work as a support. And below 500, 438 will be the support area for Nifty. And below 438, 400 to 438 below, 377 will be the support that will work for Nifty. And that's why I am saying we have more opportunity in the stocks. I'm just analyzing it. If you want to trade half your quantity, it will helpful, because market it is totally sideways movement it is given. So if you're planning for a buying above 700 710 above, you can plan for buying. Your resistance will be in the main resistance will be 19,800 780 to 800 in this area. And if it is also given a breakdown, okay, with the stop loss of 780, you also can plan for long above 18 840 850 in this range. You should book your profit. Okay. And below level I have discussed already. 5 600 below, all these are the levels you can watch for tomorrow for nifty levels. And now if I move towards the bank nifty, see bank nifty also it has given breakdown. And I have not initiated any trade, but it has reached the first target around 45,650 in this area. So for tomorrow, let me remove all the drawings. And now 45,600, it is a support area. Okay, so we only execute our selling trade below this level. And similarly, as I mentioned, there is a trend line that is working like this. See, this is the trend line where market is taking rejections multiple time. It has taken rejection. So below this level 650 in this range, 600 to 650 in this range, after the breakdown, this support area 520, and the next support area will be 400. In this range market can easily come if it is given the breakdown. And if you are planning for buying, similarly like nifty also, half your quantity I am mentioning multiple times. See, this is a resistance zone where market has faced third time resistance here, first, second, and third time resistance. So above this trend line and also above this horizontal line, and also this trend line above, you can plan for buying in bank nifty. First target, you should book your profit around 46,000 around in this area. And if it is also given breakout, then this level can be tested. The level is around 46,150 in this area. See, every 50 100 points above there is a support and resistance. So that's why market has, if you are planning for directional trade, wait for breakout or breakdown. Okay, so this is simple analysis for bank nifty between 45,900 to 45,600. Don't initiate any trade here. Okay, you will not get any momentum here. It will only, what can happen is stop loss hunting, that's all. So and similarly in nifty finance as well, see it is given breakdown and reached towards our target around 20,405. I am not deleting any level here because all the levels will be intact, same for tomorrow as well. But one thing I want to say, that this trend line is giving a very good resistance area. So if you're planning for buying, plan above this range, 20,550 above, 555 above. You can plan for buying in fin nifty. The first target you can get 20,634, but it will be better if you trade after the breakout of 20,634. It will be better because there is very short movement, so you will not enjoy good profit over there. So if you are planning for buying, buy above 2634 to 650 in this range above. And if you are planning for selling now, there is also one trend line for from the bottom you can connect. See, this is the trend line that is working for fin nifty as well. So after the breakdown of this range 20,400, 20,400, only below this range can plan for trade. And 20,560 to 20,400 between, don't initiate any trade. There are multiple supports and resistance here, so market can consolidate here for a while. Okay, so now if I quickly jump on the stocks, I have mentioned starting the video that Nasdaq can, it can, our IT stocks can impact by Nasdaq today, because two main stocks like Microsoft and Google has result. So if IT stocks support us, we will get a very good opportunity in TCS. So 3,410, this is an important level where we should give a good watch. So above 34,010 above, we can execute our trade. 3435 will be our target, with a stop loss of 3,400, 10 rupees our stop loss. And almost 35 rupees is our target, 25 rupees is our target. More than 1:2 we are getting in in the buy side of TCS. Similarly, if you are if IT didn't give us the support, it after the breakdown of this range, you can plan for selling in TCS. So the first target you can get around 3380. This is an important level. Wait here, see if market can take support or not. If market can take support, then 3364 will be your good target here. Here you should book your profit. Okay, and if you should book your profit, why I'm saying, because what can happen, W kind of pattern can be activated if market can came here. Okay, so this is for TCS. Similarly, if you see the next stock, that is LNT. LNT has given a good, I think it has earnings, I guess today, and I think I'm not see the result in details, but it has post good result, but it has moved a lot, in daily time frame. If you look that, it has before result it has good buy happened, very good buying has been happened from the bottom of this range. So our analysis will be in 15 minutes time frame. This range is very important, 2550, and this range is a very good support, and 25 85 88 in this range is a very good resistance zone. So if you find that market is giving breakdown of this range, whenever market is opening here, or given a breakdown, you can plan for trade in LNT. You will get very good target around 25 22, and below this level also can be tested. This level is around 2494 to 2500. Round it off to the 2500, it will be better. 2500 is your second target, and similarly above 2590 above, if you're planning for buying, then the first target you can get around 2620. This is the first target, and the second target will be 2640. Okay, so this is our second target. Okay, this is simple analysis for in LNT. You can watch that. And the next stocks I'm going to discuss is HDFC AMC. If you see that also in daily time frame, that it has consolidating in the top from the last 3 days, and RSI, it is now trading at little bit of overbought zone. If you see that in a daily time frame, you will find that it has given directly movement to the upside from the bottoms, and in the 15 minutes time frame, if you see that it is consolidating. So our analysis here is very simple. um, it is close in this area 25 26. I'm planning it only for buying. So above this 2538, you can plan for buying in HFCMC with the stop loss of 25 27. Almost 10 rupees is your stop loss. The first target you can book here around 2587, and the second target you can book around 2620. Okay, this is our main resistance zone. You should watch there carefully. If I move in a daily time frame, see this swing low, let me draw that with a trend line. This swing in a previous support zone, and just break and retest this zone to 2628 will be your second target for HDFC AMC. Okay, so analysis is very simple. Above 2538 you should initiate your trade. 2587 where you should book your first profit, and if it is also shift to resell, and if it is also given breakout of this range, 2628 will be your last target. And the another stocks that I want to discuss, it is Adani has some news, I guess. Some Bain company, Bain has been it has invested in Adani capital, so that's why it has impacted all these Adani stocks. So hopefully if market opening in the flat, if it is open gap up, huge gap up, then avoid Adani stocks. If it is open flat, or 2-3 rupees gap up down somewhere here, then after the breakout of the today's high 2474, or you find it around 25 2452 in this range, if you find here, plan for buying. You also can buy the positional basis, the max to max 2420 2440 will be your stop loss. You will get very good target in positional basis, or buy in the cash. Don't go for the options. If you buy in the cash, you will get a very good opportunity here. And if you're planning for intraday trade, then you can buy somewhere from here, and to around 2500 you should book your profit. Okay, and 2500, when Adani stocks move, how much return it can give us, that. So that's, I don't have to say about this. So above 2500, 2525 will be your second target. Okay, so this is for Adani Enterprise. And similarly, if you see all the Adani stocks, Adani Port, Adani Power, if you see that Adani Power has also moved very good. So it has, you know, stretched a lot, so it is oversold zone. If it is somewhere come, if all the market scenario is positive, if it is come or somewhere, you know, in this range, we also can discuss that in a tomorrow's video. And you also can plan swing in Adani Power as well. Okay guys, so that's all for this video, and I will as usual share the result tomorrow. And best of luck for tomorrow. Good day.